channel once again. Today we are going to look at building a software application, and a case study would be on a bus booking system. Now, there are various steps involved in database development. One of them is gathering requirements. Then we have to go ahead with the design. And design is also similar to, can also be called data model mapping. Then we talk about implementation. After implementation, which is where we code, we now test and debug for any errors before deploying to the user. Now, in gathering requirements, what usually happens is that we get to the firm and you ask your clients the kind of document that they have in the office. It could be a register, it could be a ticket, it could be an invoice, whatever that could help you understanding how that business works. You need to ask questions. In the process of asking questions, you will understand what they need, and you will tend to be able to solve your problem better, because sometimes your client doesn't really know everything about what they need. Now, you also choose your database management tools and your programming tools. You need to be sure of that before you move in proper. We had gotten the documents from our client and we saw their register, and it was filled with maybe it could be a book that was filled with pen and paper. Now, that book has a serial number, a date, passenger's first name, the last name, the phone number, the sex, the age, the address, the next of kin, the kin's phone number, from where the passenger will be traveling from to where it's going, destination, the price paid, the fleet number, the vehicle plate number, and the salesperson for the day.